Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raven Lenore. I am a stay-at-home reselling mom. That sells. I'm like, what do you do, Raven? Okay, I'm a stay-at-home reselling mom and I sell on eBay and Poshmark. And I say I'm a lot. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you things to look for while you are out thrifting. Now, this can be for just the casual thrifter that's just looking for items to add to their own closet, or this information can be used for people that are looking for items to resell in their business on eBay and Poshmark. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. So when I first started eBay, I started with eBay. I didn't know anything about Poshmark. When I first started with these platforms, I first started selling things at home. Once I ran out of things at home, I took my talents to the thrift store and I wanted to find things there to resell on eBay. I didn't know what I was looking for. I would bring home things and like, oh my gosh, it's cute. Oh my goodness, I saw this girl on YouTube talk about this brand. I'm gonna buy it. Oh my goodness, blah, 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 blah. And I would get home and number one, I'm gonna get into that a little later, but I would get home, I would take photos of the item, I would put it away, I would send it out, and I would get a message from eBay, and it would be from a customer that says,
this item had a stain on the sleeve, it was like this close to me, what are you gonna do about it?
In the beginning of reselling, especially on eBay, Poshmark not so much, but on eBay, when you're new, I found that I got a lot of those messages. On one hand, it might have been because it was a new account and people can see that when they look from your feedback. On another hand, I did not have lights. I was not checking my inventory. So I'm going to show you guys how to check your inventory first in the store. When you're in the store looking for items, what I do is I walk through the store and I look at things and I throw in my cart. Like that's the first initial, look down, like, okay, this is cute, this is on trend, kinda, or it's something that I feel like would sell, and I throw it in my cart. After I throw the things in my cart, what I usually do is go either to, I used to go to the dressing room, but the dressing room doesn't work because it's dark in there. What I'll do is go to the furniture section of the thrift store, and I take everything out and I give it a look over. Now, you might not know what you're looking for, and there's times where I've bought home things and I'm like, I did not see that. So I'm going to tell you some things that you might overlook and hopefully help you to find them when you're in the store. So I have some flawed items here. Some flawed items are okay to buy, just depends. If you disclose them in your listing and you feel like it's really worth buying, you'll get your money worth from it, by all means go ahead and buy it. But if you feel like it's not worth it, it's like an Aeropostale pair of jeans, it has like a big ketchup stain on the leg, it's all up to your discretion. There's some items that you can buy that has flaws, but in this video I'm showing you what to look. This is a shirt, just a black shirt. This is actually not flawed at all. I just pulled it because I had some inventory right over there that I need to take care of. But anyway, so one thing I like to look for, and that I look for when I'm looking at shirts, are a few things. Number one is piling. I have a sweater here to show you piling. If you don't know what piling is, peeling or piling, whatever you would like to call it, it is the little frizzy items like on the sweater. Now there are items, there is a contraption that you can buy from Walmart or Target, and it will get defrizz your sweaters. I've tried to use actually my husband's razor before. It was on it was some type of sweater and I put a hole in it, so be careful if you do that. But I had to cancel the order. I was so upset. Anywho, so piling, you want to look for piling. Piling usually accumulates from wearing the sweater and washing it, and a major place that you will see it a lot will be underneath, like in between the underarm area here. That's the place you will want to look for flaws. So while we're looking for flaws, another place that you want to look for flaws is look for flaws like where you would mess things up. Like when you go out to eat, what happens? You drop food. Sometimes you might overlook like a little spot like on the shoulder here. Like it might be something really small that you don't see. I'm telling you, customers see everything. They see everything. Now if you're buying it for yourself and you see it and it's good with you, then go ahead, by all means wear it. I've worn flawed items all the time. I don't care. But some people might be buying the item for a specific reason, or some
people just might want a partial refund.
But that's neither here nor there. Anyway, so yeah, look for piling, especially underneath the arms. And pants, I didn't bring a pair of pants over here, but in the crotch area, there's usually could be a lot of piling there also. So you want to make sure that if it, you know, it's not too much with the piling in between. See, I'm like, you're like, what the heck is she doing? Okay, in the leg area, the piling could lead to someone could wear the pants 2 more times and there'll be a hole there. So check the thinness in between the leg also, and see if it's something that you want to deal with. Another thing is the lighting. Now, when you first start off doing eBay or Poshmark, you might not have lights. When I say lights, I'm not talking about your home lights. Home lights are just basic lights. You know, you see whatever, like you don't see the nitty-gritty of something. Once you get like box lights, and I'll try to put a picture up of them, I'll show you mine, but once you get box lights, and once you get box lights, what box lights just do,
get it out, girl.
What box lights do is they put a direct light on the item. And most of the time I remember buying things and getting it home and I'd be so happy, like, oh, I found this cute little item and it's gonna sell so quick and it's so cute and I can't believe I found it. And I'll lay it down and I'll get home and I'll put my lights on it, bam, stain, like right then and there. So this is an example of that. And even right now in this light, I can't see the stain, but I remember taking a photo of it. So scary, sorry guys. I remember taking a photo of it, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute, but it has like this stinkiest stain on it, and in this light I cannot see it. So my next recommendation is, I know when you're first starting out, you don't have the extra funds to go out and purchase a light. My lights, I want to say I got them off eBay. They took about a week to come. They cost me about $45 to $50 for the lights. The best $50 I've ever spent. I've had them since I started. I never went to buy another set of lights. My light bulbs have been broken by children knocking my lamps over, not by them like going out. So I do need another light at the moment, but light bulb, not an actual box light. But box lights are important just because it helps you to see stains that might be there that you don't see in thrift stores. So I told you, look, did I tell you to look for deodorant marks? You look for deodorant marks underneath the arm. That's something else that you might want to look for. I don't usually, in deodorant marks in sweaters. Make sure you're opening up the sweaters and looking inside, like inside of the sweater, not just lifting up the arm. You want to open up the sweater and look inside of where the actual armpit is. And then you have to evaluate if you feel, I'm talking about this area here, you have to evaluate if you feel like you can clean it. You want to really examine your items. I mean, from sleeve to the outside of the sleeve to, I mean, you'll be surprised, like you get home and you know, you'll find like the most nastiest thing. You'll find the nastiest thing that you can imagine. Quick story, I went to the bins. The bins, if you don't know, is Goodwill's clearance outlet. They call it the bins because when you go in there are big blue bins filled with a massive amount of clothes. Okay, so I went to the bins and I found some red pants. Now, these were red Old Navy pixie pants. I remember them because listen to this. I got them home, I photographed them, I put them away. About a month or so later, someone ordered them. I was sitting at my desk and I used to always overlook everything before I send it out just to make sure there was nothing that I missed. I don't know what made me do this, but I went in, I opened up the pants and looked inside by the crotch area. And I saw a dark red spot. Yeah, it was not nice. It was bad. So, what's that to say? Make sure you're looking inside of your pants also. That is the only pair of pants I've ever found like that. Yeah, and also guys, if you're donating items, like seriously, please, I know, like, please only donate things that you feel like someone else can get a use out of. Or, you know, donate something that you would buy also. I know we had like there's an overabundance of clothing in thrift stores. They are busting at the seams to where like every other day one of my thrift stores is doing a 50% off sale because they have so much stuff. It is a lot of things. It's okay to throw stuff in the garbage. If it has a hole in it, or if it has some, you know, fluid or something in it, please just throw it in the trash can. Do not donate it. I mean, come on, like, really. I mean, not even for a reseller's sake, like for someone that's going in and has a job interview and is looking for a pair of pants, you know, to wear in this job interview, and you know, they are met with clothes with like holes and women stains on them. Like, come on. So with that being said, if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you want more videos like this. I always end my videos like this because I feel like I can. I'm not a reseller channel, but I am a reseller mom, and I will put out reseller videos here and there. I love what I do. Yeah, I say a lot. I told you that like 5 million times, but yeah, I do. I love what I do, so I will make videos about this, but you can also find videos. You might find vlogs here. You definitely will, because I vlog my children. You will find clean with me videos. I like to clean. I like to have a clean space. You'll find a lot of different array of mommyhood videos here. You'll find mommyhood videos here. The lifestyle mommyhood lady. So if you're interested in that, and also some reseller things, you'll get reseller things because I'm a reseller and that's a major part of my life. So that being said, I feel like it got darker. Like, I feel like this situation just got a lot thicker. And I hope this video isn't too dark because that's just crazy. I'm in a different space. I'm actually by my workspace and I'm just organizing. And I'm going to be doing a video about that too. So if you want to see that, stick around. I'm going to go pick up some things from around the house that I already have. If I need more, I'll go to like the Dollar Tree and do like Dollar Tree hauls. I do Dollar Tree hauls. I do grocery hauls. I do meal planning. I do all that stuff. I do all the mommyhood stuff. Everything I do in my home to help it run, I put on video. So thank you so much for sticking around. If you want more videos like this, let me know. Let me know if you enjoy videos like this at all. Yeah, I ramble at the end of my videos. It's just what I do. So thanks for watching. Connect with me on Instagram. Yeah, that's it. Be careful out there at the stores, and don't be picking up nasty stuff. See you next time. Bye. My lips didn't look all chapped up and nasty.